Hello, today we will guide you regarding the packaging steps of a bulky item with the example of a refrigerator. We recommend the sellers to use brown sheets, cardboard sides, and shrink wrap to properly pack such items. All of this packaging material is available on daraz.pk. Begin by cutting out the amount of brown sheet we need for the base of the product. Place the cardboard sides on all the corners and then secure the base with the brown sheet. Use the cardboard sides again to secure the top corners of the product. Place invoice and returns form on the top and then cover it with the brown sheet. Wrap the product in brown sheets and completely secure it. Label the front of the product accurately. Now use shrink wrap over the brown sheet to cover the base, top and sides of the product. Stick the fragile sticker and shrink wrap it. Now stick the shipping label over it and use shrink wrap again to secure the item further, leaving no chance for any kind of damage. Lastly, use the strings and properly tie it down as shown here. Please remember to follow the packaging steps accurately in order to avoid returns from customers on the basis of packaging opened, tampered and or damaged. Thank you.